Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are going to talk about a brand new subscription box that I have signed up to, which I think I signed up to a few months ago, but I'm still trying to get my head around how it actually works. But it's come all the way from the USA, I think. Yeah, it has. So if you want to know what subscription box I've managed to get my hands on, then give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. Okay, so I managed to get my hands on, are you ready? The Fabfitfun subscription box. Now, I had no idea how this works, and I'm still, as I said, trying to get my head around how it all goes. But from what I gathered is you get like a standard winter, so it's the winter 2020 collection subscription box, and then you've got a chance that a few different windows for you to add on different extras that they give you a list on that you can choose from. However, I went on and I did do that, but I don't remember actually checking out. But anyway, they're in the box, so we'll give it a go, and I'll share with you what's inside the Fabfitfun box. It's huge. So here is the Fabfitfun box. I'll share with you now what's inside. It's absolutely massive. I just can't remember. It's been so long. I just can't remember what come in it. So let's take all this out. So you get a lovely catalogue magazine, and it's got what's in. Oh, duh, it's there. So here's what's inside the box. I haven't got all of this. Right then, what do we have? Where should I start? Okay, so first up we have some bamboo pillowcase set, and it's attitude believes in living mindful to sustain a more comfortable existence for all. Made from the world's first clean bamboo fabric, our bedding, sleepwear and bath range are a gentle on your skin and our planet. If I'm not mistaken, I think I chose these. So these are, oh, they feel really nice. Oh, wow, so obviously I'm going to use these in my new house. I'm not going to bother using them now. So they're nice, and I got them. I think I chose these, I'm sure I did, so that I can start, you know, for my hair, for my skin, to really look after it. Got some nice silky pillowcases. Then we have in here Kate Spade. See, whatever done, I don't get it. So in here we have some, I think these are the add-ons. These must be the add-ons. So we've got some gorgeous Kate Spade earrings there. They come in a lovely little pink pouch. We have a lead headband. That's in here, I've seen that. It's worth $49. It's a velvet headband to add holiday flair to your lifestyle. Quite a nice colour, so it's perfect for the winter and Christmas. Got a Daily Concept Daily Facial Dry Brush for radiant looking skin. 7A. That's worth $25. Then we have a Korres Greek Yogurt or Skin Type Everyday Cleansing Foam. Can't wait to try this. This was an add-on. I know it was an add-on because I think, yeah, it was part of the add-on product. So that's what that looks like. I love this brand, I really do. Then we have a liquid eyeliner from the brand Aesthetica. That's what that looks like. Then we have a Tula Skincare Probiotic Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Okay, so that's that. This is retailing at £30. Then next up we have the Rodial Vitzy Cream Souffle, and this was a bargain compared to what I would have got it from the website itself. So I'm really looking forward to trying this, and it's a brightening and renew cream. Smells good, so I can't wait to give that a try. So that's Rodial Vitzy. I love this brand. It's one of my fave brands. Then we have a Milk Makeup holographic highlighting powder. I can get into it. Are you two cleaning? If you're not cleaning, you know Santa's watching. The elf has got eyes everywhere and he can see what you're doing, so you better be cleaning. Loving the packaging to that. Ooh. Oh wow, that is absolutely stunning. Look at that. You see it? That is gorgeous. Okay, then we have a Grown Alchemist Age Repair Moisturizing White Tea Extract. I've never heard of this before. So that's what that looks like. Then next up we have a Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. So we've got that as well in there. A below the belt. It's a card case. And then a very random cutting board set of 4. Just what I wanted in a subscription box. Yeah, set of 4 chopping board for my meat, my veg, and my fish. Lucky me. Okay, so it's got some good things in it, but yeah, I need to get my head around it and see whether I would actually be going for a second box. I know that I've saved some money on this, but the actual winter box collection, I don't know. I actually just like the ones that I ordered. So yeah, I'm gonna give it another try and see what the next box looks like. And then yeah, I will let you know my thoughts. These are gorgeous. These are really, really cute. They're definitely me. I like them. I love earrings, but I love them and I don't love them. I love to have them, but I just don't like wearing them. I know that's terrible, isn't it? So yeah, so they've got some exclusive offers. I think if you're a member and you upgrade, the more you upgrade, the more perks you get from it. Got your self-care checkout. This magazine's got a few little things that you can do. It's got some recipes in there, like healthy ones, pomegranate champagne fruits, that sounds like cinnamon, swirl latte, and it's just like different things that you can do with whatever the products are inside the box, just how to use them really. So yeah, interesting. I'm gonna have a good read with this and just really get my head around the whole Fabfitfun box. But yeah, that's what was inside this month. So yeah, it's a very quick one tonight, guys. I have got some exciting stuff coming tomorrow and the weekend as well. And also, have you entered the giveaway that's going on all month? You need to go and check the link down below and go and check out that video on what you need to do to enter the giveaway. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know if you've had a Fabfitfun subscription box before and what are your thoughts on it. But yeah, I can't wait to get recording and sharing with you what I've bought and what I got up to last night with my mum and my sisters. Yes. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you all tomorrow on another day of Vlogmas. Bye.